Okay, today I am going to show you how you can use GLM 5.2 inside your Visual Studio Code. You everyone know that how much powerful GLM 5.2 is, which performance is like to like similar with Claude Opus. Then, without wasting time, let's get started. First, select any browser that you are comfortable to use. Search for the Databricks where Databricks provide GLM 5.2 for free for a limited time. Let's create account here. I'm going to continue with Google. If you want, you can continue with your email account or Microsoft account as well. Select this for work. Start trial with Express setup. Give your name and select your location. You need to verify this puzzle where it will ask 3, which means we need to select the image which contain only 3 blocks. Okay, this image contain 3 blocks. Submit. Verification completed. Now it will redirect to the Databricks home screen. Now our account is ready in Databricks. After that, go to this AI gateway section here. In AI gateway section, there are multiple models, but some model may work, some model may not work. You can try it by yourself. I have tried GLM 5.2, which is working perfectly. I will show you by sending request in browser. Let's try. Let's send the request. If it is work, then it will send request. Otherwise, it will show error. You can see request will be appear, which means it will currently working perfectly. We are going to use GLM 5.2 through the client extension inside the Visual Studio Code. First, you need to install this extension in your editor. If you have not installed it, go to the extension section and search for client and install it. If you have not installed it, okay, after you have installed it will reflected here. Then go to this settings icon and you need to provide all the detail it will be asked here. I'll remove all the things that I have provided here. Okay, then I'm going to use the new base URL. This is the base URL until v1. Copy it from here, provide it in the base URL section. Next we have required the model. Select it from here, paste it in the model ID. Keep in mind API provider will be the OpenAI compatible. We have required the API key. To get API key, here it will mention generate access token created, manage key. Here your token will be created. Copy it from here and provide it in OpenAI compatible API key and done. You can see OpenAI compatible Databricks GLM 5.2 will be reflected here in the model section. You can plan it and you can build it here as well, and you can set the condition as your preferences. Do you want to ask permission before modifying or updating anything? I have set it all. Do you want to get access? Do you want to give access to your browser and many things will be here? I have set it all in auto. It will automatically do everything. First, let's try. Does it will respond or not? Hi. Okay, it will show 404. I think I'm going to the profile section here. Setting developer access token, and I'll delete this access token from here and I'll generate new. I'll give name free token and I'll set duration will be the 1 day and scope will be the other token, and I'm going to select AI gateway here. Now I'm going to select it and I'll copy it. Done. Now I'm going to change my API key and I'll save it here. Now let's start a new task. Hi, I think this time it need to be work. You can see it will work. Before that, we have not selected this AI gateway. That's why it will show this error. Now it will be perfectly working. First, I'll remove this all the code from my index.html where it will take time to read this file. I didn't want to waste time here, and I'll give one simple prompt. Can you create a one space shooter game using HTML? If required, use CSS and JS as well. It will think, it will prepare, it will read, then it will start to work. Oh, how much fast is it? Other model that I have explored in my previous video, which takes time, but this model will be too fast that I have feel. Okay, it will completed nearly 700 line of code within 1 minute. Start. Let's see the performance. Okay, working perfectly. Okay, nice. Its performance is also perfect and its response time is also fast. I like it. By this way, you can use one of the intelligence model that will be currently available is in the market for free. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. Happy coding. Bye bye. We will meet you on the next video.